Number 86, if f prime is greater than 0, aka slope is positive, for all real numbers x, so all throughout the graph slope is positive, and integral from 4 to 7, f of t dt is 0, so the area under the curve better be 0. Which of the following could be a table of values for the function f? Once again, remember, the area under the curve better be a 0, and the slope has to be increasing at all times. Take a look at the answer choices, and let's go ahead and get rid of some obvious ones. So look at A, right? If you guys take a look at it, that's basically just all down there, right? So let's just say like this is 4 and this is -4. So that point is down there, and then at 5, it's down there again, and 7, it's right there at 0, right? And if you guys were to kind of connect this, well, area under the curve, well, yeah, I mean, it's all going to be all negative. It can't be a 0. So that's obviously out, right? I know B is the right answer, so let me come back to that afterwards. C, if you guys take a look at this graph, well, that's 4 and -4. Like, we start right there, and then at 5, it goes up to like 6, which is fine, I guess, because the slope better be increasing all throughout, right? And then the problem is, at 7, it comes back down to 3. But I thought this graph is positive slope for all throughout. So how do you explain, that's fine, but how do you explain this, right? You can't be going down. Nowhere in the graph should there be a negative slope. So that's why C is wrong. D, look at this. That's basically just a slope of 0. That's no slope, but the question said slope is positive. That's a no-no. And if you guys take a look at E, well, this is fine, all increasing, okay, fine. So we have 0 over here, and then at 5, it's 4 up there, and then at 7, it's at 6 up there. But the point is, if you find area under the curve, that's definitely something of a positive area, which is why E is wrong. So it has to be answer choice B. Let's kind of see if that actually makes sense, right? So when we have 4, it's -4, so like right there. And then 5, -2, so like right there. And then at 7, that's kind of up there at 5, right? So I don't know what this graph actually looks like, but I guess I can go something like this. And the point is, maybe that negative area and maybe that positive area kind of balance each other out to make it 0. Is it really? I mean, I don't know, but that makes the most logical sense out of all the 5 choices, which is why answer choice B is definitely the correct answer.